Okay, so I'm prepared to start cutting the bathroom, and to adjust this blade, you push the blue lever here, and then just take it where you want it. I'm going to do light cuts, because I don't know what I'm running into, and then I can just keep cutting it as I go along. Okay. So here goes nothing. Let me pull my pad back a little bit. Okay, there we go. And I hope I can manage to keep myself out of the way. Where do I want to start? Probably where the dirt line is. This is not going to be easy. Whew. And my guard will stop me from hitting the copper piping over there. But I'm just going to do little bits at a time. You know, the lighting in here is really bad. I'll give it a try anyhow. It's bad for recording, that is. Okay. And to use it, you push this lever and then pull. And push. Pull this lever and push. Okay, got a hammer and my handy dandy screwdriver. This is so disgusting. Oh, goodness. Oh, good. Glad it's ripping. There's certain stuff I just don't want to even touch with clothes on. Okay, so oh, yeah. I should have a trash can to throw this in. See, I don't know what to expect under the toilet. Okay, so here we go. This is what I got cut out of the bathroom. Again, it's on a metal frame, which has taken a bit of a beating from the water, thus causing rust and damages. Corrosion, rust and corrosion, that's what I'm trying to think of. And you can stand on this part of the metal frame and it's still strong. This part of the metal frame, still strong. You cannot stand on that. Let's see. You cannot stand on that because that's just aluminum, I think. So I will have to figure out a way to support this before I put a new floor in. And I'm not too sure how to do that right now. I will have to probably get on the forum and ask. So, pulled a bunch more fiberglass out. But I'm going to get new fiberglass to replace the old. Okay, my other issue is under the water heater, the floor is bad. Oh my gosh. I tried to pull the water heater through here, but it's too wide, so I'd have to take that door out, pull it outside, cut the floor, and leave that water heater sitting outside, which I do not want to do, unless I got a board and laid it in there, I guess. Maybe I could do something like that. But, I don't know. Just don't know. I was hoping to be painting. And here I am doing this. Oh, but you know what? This stuff has to be taken care of. And why paint and then mess up my paint with sawdust and everything? The Dremel does a great job, except for the kickback on it. I've got to watch out for that kickback. I don't know, you know, even using both hands, it still kicks back on me sometimes. So I have to watch for that. But, so that's today for the Twinkie. That's it for today for the Twinkie. I think I've done enough. I vacuumed out this area. I still got little chiplets of wood and stuff I need to pull out, but that's okay. And that wall can now be washed. And my copper piping needs to be cleaned. But in the meantime, I've got to figure out how to support the bathroom floor. Maybe another metal sheet or something? I don't know. Anyhow, thanks for watching. And once again, appreciate y'all. Appreciate your advice. Appreciate your comments. Even if it's comments of support, that is great. It's absolutely great. Wow. So I'll get this figured out. You know, I'm not the first person that's had to tackle something like this, so I'll get it figured out.